Have you been to a park and you're putting up a mast and it's going up fine, then all of a sudden something like this happens? Oh no, I broke an element. What am I gonna do? I just want to say off the bat, everything featured in this video is purchased by me or my Tank Radio channel, and nothing in this video is sponsored by Gigaparts. But please head over there and use Tank at checkout when you buy new replacement elements or these masks or anything over there, because you get double reward points and it helps support me, Tank Radio, and keeping this channel going. Now let's get back to it. I'm back. It's been about a month and a half since I really recorded anything due to an injury, and then I had surgery, and I am back finally, and I am enjoying this amazing overcast, soon to be stormy day. I really wanted to be at the park, but if I'm at the house here and it starts to rain, I can easily run inside. So today we're recording here, but we're also be talking about the POTA Masts by Gigaparts. This is the POTA 20 mast, and then this is the POTA 33 mast. These masts are carbon fiber, so that makes them very, very strong. However, if they break, Gigaparts sell replacement elements. This is the replacement element for the top two sections for the POTA 3030. What happened on mine is that I had this up on a beach, I think it was, and someone came by and snagged one of the guy lines with a, stupid pole trolley, and it fell. It fell. These do great with compression, but when it kind of whipped and hit the ground, it broke the top element. So I haven't been able to use my 33 foot in a while, and I finally bought an element and it got shipped to me, and we're going to be replacing it. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to break these down and some reasons why you might want to take this apart occasionally. Let's go ahead and start talking about it. First, let's go ahead and talk about carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is very strong by itself. However, if sand gets in here, it can be very abrasive as you open and close these masts, and they keep moving in and out. And if you have a grain of sand in there, it will start rubbing against it and weaken these elements. So if you go to the beach or you go to some place that's very dirty, you want to rinse this out and let it dry. Also, if you're out and about and you get caught in a rainstorm, or it's just very moist out in the day and you got some condensation, maybe in the morning dew happens, when you get home, you want to dry this out completely because you don't want mold or anything else growing inside here. But it's very, very easy to take these apart. The bottom just unscrews like so, boop, and just tilt it over, pull it apart, and there it is. Then you just slide each element over the top and just lay it out flat. And it's that simple, and you do it for each one. There we go. All the elements removed and they're laid out. I did it in order to keep them in order so it's easier to reassemble. The POTA 20 is the same thing. You just unscrew, pull it apart, and it's the same thing. You just keep pulling each element over the top and it will come out. I'm going to put this one up because we're talking about the 3030. This is the two elements here, the top two elements, and I broke the tip off of it. So now it's just, just no tip here. And the POTA masts are very unique to have the eyelet at the top so that you can clip on your antennas. Then in order to get the replacement element, this eyelet itself is glued to the very top one, and you cannot order the top element by itself. You have to order the top two elements. And that's what I have here. And simply, I'm just going to remove these two and replace it with this one. Also, this is the Gigaparts knife they sell on their store, and you can have it engraved. Look, that's so cool. All right, guys, at Gigaparts, a little less tape because that took a bit to remove all of it. I also misspoke. If you break one of the top 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, you gotta buy that in the pack because that eyelet at the top. So here's the replacement. We remove the top 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one. We're able to slide that through, yes! And rinse and repeat as I rebuild this guy and get him back. Oh, this is so cool. I can't believe Gigaparts does this. It's great that they do this. Just making repairability for us just so much easier and keeping this equipment able to run, and it's not replaceable. If you just break one element by mistake, you can replace it. Careful with the top sections, but still you can replace it. So this thing is just not throw away and buy another one, or buy another one for donation parts and then you got extra ones. Just go to Gigaparts and just purchase the element you broke. I love this. I love this. I love it. Can't wait to get it back on the air. Here we go, the final test on this kind of video. I pulled the top off. The eye caught as normal. Let's go ahead and put that on the ground, drop that, and I am able to get the antenna back up into the tree. Yes, I am ecstatic. Thank y'all for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to all my supporters who are out there and supporting me, and all the kind encouragements. For this past month and a half. I'm glad to be back, and I can't wait to do more videos for y'all. If you are not a supporter already, please consider being a YouTube member, or clicking the link below and go to Patreon, support me. Take radio, and I really do appreciate it. And thank you for watching it. As always, go forth and conquer. Yeah.